Hey, it's another hot day in Houston. I'm gonna show you how to add Freon refrigerant to your truck. I'm not gonna add any into this 2020. My 2007 is running a little low, and it's real simple to do. You don't have to take this to a mechanic. This stuff you can do yourself. And it takes, I asked them, they said it takes 21 ounces, and each one of these is right at 12 ounce. So I won't use both cans, but mine is low. I'm gonna show you how to check it and get one of these reusable hoses right here. This thing is pretty neat, and it tells you your pressure. And this right here, if you look at the top of this can, it's a resealable can. So you need, the only thing you have to do is screw this on right here and refrigerate it. And I'm gonna show you what to do. It's real simple. And just follow these instructions. Let's go and put some Freon in my truck. All right. Okay, the first thing what you want to do is crank your truck up and turn the AC on max. And we're gonna turn our AC on the coolest. Make sure the AC is on, and you want to turn this on max. Okay, next thing you want to do is locate your low pressure side. And you'll see it on this Tundra. It's this one right here. That's your low. It should have a cap. I lost my cap, but I'm gonna find another cap. That is your low pressure side. That's all you need right here. As you can see, mine is on the low side. What you want it to be right there where the green is at. So I already clamped it on the low pressure side and just screw this can on. And like I said, this can is resealable. If you don't use it all, you can use it later. So once you got it on there, the only thing you have to do is just press that little trigger there, and it'll start filling it. You can hear it filling. And what you want to do is shake it a little bit, and the instructions say from like 12 to 3 o'clock position, you want to shake it pretty hard. But if it's low, it's going to flow in there really fast. And I'm going to speed this up a little bit. It takes about maybe 3 minutes each can. As you can see, I'm turning it a little bit upside down, and what you want to do is shake it really good between the about 12 and 3 o'clock position, or 9 and 12 o'clock position. And like I said, it takes about 3 minutes, and it's real simple. Once you finish, take that off, and I'm going to use the other can also. If I don't use it all, I'll just use it later. Like I said, it's resealable. You just screw it on. Press the trigger, let it do the work. Every time you press the trigger, you see it goes down to 0 to nothing. That means it's flowing through the system. When I release the trigger, it'll let me know how much Freon I have in there, a refrigerant you have in there. As you see, I'm shaking it a little bit. And this stuff you can do yourself. You can pick this stuff up at Home Depot, not Home Depot. They may have it Home Depot, but AutoZone. You can pick this up for like $5 or $6 a can. So they say my truck takes like 21 ounces. So that's it. That's all to it. Just unscrew it, and if there's some more left in it, it reseals itself, and you can reuse it later. You see right there, that's where you want it at, right around 35, 40. You don't want to go no higher than that. And I probably have a little leak because I don't have that cap. But if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And let's check and see if this cools off a little bit. It was cool. Oh yeah, man, that feels good. That's all to it. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.